Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me Rogue Marby Scott, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back any new subscribers or watchers. Yeah, I am Rogue Marby Scott. So today I just thought, I wanted to, end the year with a makeup look or possibly, a tutorial. I don't know if I'm actually going to do a tutorial because the look that I have in my mind right now isn't something that you're going to be wearing on an everyday basis, or at all anyway, because it's 2019. Well, will be, depending on when you see this video. So I've already got it's itchy. I've already got my base done, and so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. And yeah, I kind of was inspired by some of the Bob Ross's videos that have been going out there, and also I've been inspired a lot by James Charles in this concept that I have in my head. So whatever, let's go on. Also, I just wanted to say too that this year has been a very roller coaster-ish year. I started my year off, just having fun, and everything was just happy, and things weren't picking up as much as I wanted them to pick up in the terms of work, like full-time work, because obviously I'm a full-time worker, and that's why you only get a few videos here and there monthly. Then just in the business that I want to excel in is more like, well, stuff has happened and stuff haven't happened. So I've modeled this year, which is such an achievement for me because it's been such a long while since I last modeled, and I didn't know how to get back into it. And being diagnosed with autism also kind of set me back, because I wanted to connect with myself all over again, to rediscover what having autism means to me, not what it means to anybody else, but I just wanted to figure out, okay, so I've always known that I was different. And the first premise was that, well, when I first was discovered that I was gay, because I never came out as gay, that didn't actually help anything. It was just like, well, everyone knows that I'm gay now, but I still feel weird. I still feel different to everybody else. I still feel like there's something holding me back. Like, I'm not anxious about certain things, or me being part of the LGBT community, but I am anxious a lot when it comes to certain situations in social life and just in life in general. And I'm saying quite a lot. Now that I know that I'm autistic, I can kind of help myself as well as help others realize and kind of support them understanding who I am as a person. And I've been working on that for such a long time this year. Yeah. And so I also been part of a project for Trenton Lee, and I was how do I put this? I was given the opportunity to be part of a project by GSN. However, because of certain circumstances, I had to be pulled out of that project because yeah, I kind of clashed with their story and the advertisers, which is a bummer. But you know what, the fact that GSN even took me on board was absolutely amazing, and I hope they do pick me up again and ask me to come back to their channel and website and whatever. still working on that book. Don't know when it's going to come out, but still working on it. But yeah, everything's been amazing, and everything had been amazing since September, and that's when I found out my cat had cancer, and it was such a low point in my life where I felt like I don't know what I'm going to do. I've had my cat now for 16 years, and if she leaves, I will be broken. Like, literally, I don't even think I'll be able to do YouTube videos. So there may be some videos around that time where I'm just like, I'm here, but I'm not here, and you might notice it, you might not notice it. I do remember a few people had mentioned in emails, which is a funny thing, because the subscribers that I do have email me. They don't actually comment on the video to say certain things, which is nice, but comment on the videos. Please do comment. Yeah, and so I'm practically almost in debt right now because I had to pay grand for her surgeries, and she is bounced back and she's like a little kitten again, and I'm just so thankful that, you know, I've prolonged her life and whatever. Yeah. So here's to 2019. So I'm going to do a look for you guys. It's going to be kind of like a tutorial, not a tutorial because you're not going to wear it, so really what am I teaching you? But yeah, let's go on to the video. So this is the final look, and guys, I hope you like this for the new year or the up and coming new year. I don't know when this video is actually going to get out because I am so hyped and drunk. Anyway, so before we start, let's just bust open a bottle of champagne. Cheers to you guys, and thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for watching so much. I would just like to say I hope all of your dreams come true in the new year, or I hope you continue with your dreams. I clearly do hope I continue with my dreams. And for the new year, what do I want to do for the new year? What do I want to do for the new year? Well, I want to I actually want to go and train in makeup because I am self-taught, and I also want to I was going to say drink less, but no, that would be sacrilege. I also just kind of want to be a little bit more me and personable on the channel. So in starting that off, there was loads of spit just that flew out of my mouth. In starting that off, I would like to start the new year off with a Q&A. However, if you're interested in me doing a Q&A, just let me know in the comments down below. Give this goddamn video a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe. Leave a comment, really, please do. And yeah, I just want to also shout out to all the new people that I have connected with on Twitter. And most of these people that I have connected with on Twitter are people of color who do makeup and so are amazing, who have not been so much, you know, seen and advertised and promoted in the makeup industry, but they have such amazing looks about themselves. I'm not going to name names, but they know who they are because I follow them and I always tweet them, and it's amazing that they actually follow me as well, and or comment when I comment on their videos or their pictures, or you know, just a general tweets. You know, so this is me saying a shout out to all of you guys. I'm gonna fart. There you go. And I'm just gonna be a little bit more real on my channel. Like, I have been very, like, everything is so happy on my channel most of the time, and everything is not always so happy, but you know what, there is always going to be a light at the end of the tunnel when it comes to you getting into a dark time. And I can say this personally because I have gone through a lot of dark times. Some of them I have shared with you guys and some of them I have not, and I just want 2019, like any year that I have gone through in the past, just to be another better one, you know? So, Happy New Year, guys, and I will see you in the new year, I suppose. Bye.